Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And when I'm looking to get my day started off on the right foot, I reach for this bottle of Shilajit from Siberian Treasure. I found that when I take this on a regular, consistent basis, I can feel a total difference. In fact, when I miss a day, I feel that too. This is premium Siberian Shilajit. It has kind of a smoky, bitter taste to it, a little bit like strong coffee. And so the way that I like to take it is I like to use a knife because it has a flat edge. And I just scoop up about a pea-sized amount. This is very thick, kind of tar-like. And then I eat it directly off the knife and then follow that up with a little bit of honey. I don't mind the taste at all. In fact, I kind of crave it now, which tells me that my body likes it. But another way to take it is to stir it into a warmer liquid that will help it to kind of melt. Just make sure it's not boiling. Now, of course, I'm not a medical provider, so anytime you start a new supplement, you want to check with yours to make sure that it is okay for you. I really like the benefits that I've seen from taking this on a daily basis, but that's just my point of view.